Hello there, ATS EVS 105 students. Dr. Shragi here, and we're done finally with Module 2, and that's a good thing. I mean, it was a lot of work. I'm outside enjoying a nice, beautiful morning and having a cup of coffee from Donut Bank, which is very hot, and I am ready to launch Module 3 with you. Module 3 is all about radiation and climate. Radiation is about moving energy through the system of the atmosphere and clouds and greenhouse gases and the surface of the Earth and so on. We're going to learn the basic radiation laws and how radiation can interact with materials like clouds and greenhouse gases and the surface of the Earth and so on. Then we're going to move on and start learning about how these processes work together to create an energy balance that determines the temperature of the surface of the Earth. And then finally, we're going to talk about that in the context of the greenhouse effect. How does this help the Earth achieve the temperature balance we have now? And how, if we change the concentrations of the different greenhouse gases, that would affect the temperature of the Earth? All right. Now, a lot of these ideas will then spill over into later modules of the course as well, but this is really the module that is sort of the underlying science of how radiation affects the temperature of the Earth. And, I never come out and explicitly say it in any of these lectures, but none of this stuff is theory or open to debate or whatever. All the stuff that we're seeing in these lectures in this module, this is from observations, as in like we use equipment and we actually are measuring the amount of radiation that is moving this way or that way or being emitted by this material or being absorbed by that material. These aren't theory. These are observations. You could reproduce this stuff in a lab. You can put this much carbon dioxide in a container and see how much radiation it's absorbing or emitting or whatever. If you're thinking that global warming is a theory or something like that, well, global warming, the warming of the planet, is a complicated idea. It's certainly real, as we saw in the last module, but is it being caused by the enhanced greenhouse effect? Well, I'm going to tell you in advance, the answer is going to be yes, but that part of it is not really open to debate, as you're going to see in this module. All right, so in this module, once again, we have a discussion, we have a homework set, and we have a quiz at the end of the module. And the points assigned to each of those are described in the document on this page. All right, please let me know if you have any questions, and good luck with Module 3.